Today we'll be making magnetic fluid and manipulating it. We will need toner, vegetable oil, and a rare earth magnet. The magnetic fluid we create can also be called a ferrofluid. It is a special fluid that has tiny magnetic particles floating in it. In this instance, our magnetic particles will be coming from the toner. Toner is typically just a lot of finely ground plastic, silica to help it flow, and charge agents to help maintain the charge of the particles such as iron, chromium, and zinc. When we bring the fluid into the presence of the magnet, the particles are drawn together, becoming magnetized and forming a solid. The experiment also calls for a rare earth magnet, which made me wonder what the difference was in a regular magnet and a rare earth magnet. The rare earth magnet are permanent magnets made up of rare earth alloys, as opposed to a regular magnet that's made of mostly iron. Rare earth magnets are also 2 to 7 times stronger, which is likely the reason it's needed for this experiment, to assure we are able to magnetize the particles in the fluid. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some toner to this cup and try not to make a huge mess. Oh, that's a lot. And then I'm going to add oil. And give it a mix carefully. We've already gotten toner everywhere. I'm going to add just a little more oil because it's still pretty thick. Okay, so as you can see, it is liquid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my magnet, I have it on a little plate under some parchment paper, and I'm going to pour some of the fluid on top of the magnet and see if we get a reaction. So I'm not currently seeing a reaction here. I'll try one more. Now, on the video it said to get inkjet toner. Now when I was looking for my toner, I didn't specifically type in inkjet, so the toner that I have may not have a whole lot of metal in it. So I'm not currently getting it to turn into a solid. But one of the things I did find interesting during my research is that the military actually uses ferrofluids like this to coat planes so they can better hide from radar. All right, thank you.